Okay everybody, what we have here is a beautiful '07 Dyna. The side of the battery says it's a Super Glide. It is a 6-speed, 96-inch. Got the high performance air cleaner. It's got cams, runs like a rape tape. Now the VIN is the GX. And I don't personally know of a Super Glide model that had the blacked out motor with the chrome. But I wasn't around until 2007 paying attention. So it is a factory custom paint. Boom. I can't find a chip on this paint anywhere. It's got a little scuff here. That'll rub out. There might be a little chip there, I'm not sure. No, that's just light. So it's a scuff. A little rubbing compound, no problem. The spoke wheels are extremely nice condition. This here is not rust, that's just grease, so we didn't get off with our degreaser. So a little rub and no problem. Again, the spoke wheels are like, wow. Got a brand new rear tire and an almost new front tire. It is currently registered for a whole year. So it is extremely clean. Now it's an '07, it's not perfect, but it's wow clean. So it is a fob bike. No fob by the bike, it don't run. So again, here is our VIN number here. And here is the title. Here is a clean title, '07, matching numbers, right? Because it's currently registered, it costs you $26 to change it into your name. That's it, 26 bucks. So we're gonna fire it up here in a second, take it for our little test run. So again, it's got a brand new rear tire, almost brand new front tire. It is an '07, that is 96-inch, 6-speed. An '06 is a 6-speed, but it's 88-inch factory. This is the first 96 of the Dyna series of the Super Glide Lowrider Street Bob. So let's see here. Let's test our systems. We have a right turn. Left turn. Halo beam is working. Horn is working. Tail light's working. Hit a lot of rain when I got this bike. I bought it in the pouring rain. So both handbrake and rear brake are working. Put this on a little stand here. Okay. There we go. Right there. Something like that. Ah. pump sensor's working. I got a little story to tell you about when I bought this bike. I bought it in pouring fucking rain. I mean, just pouring rain. Started it, didn't ride it. It was just too wet. And I had to block the street to load it up. There was no other way. I had to load it up from the rear to where all the cars are parked. Well, this is on Lanark Street. I'm real familiar with the intersection, straight off of Wilbur. Because my first girlfriend, I was with her for 6 years, lived a block away. One of my oldest friends, Fred and Fern, lives a block away. So I already knew that there was a street to go around, because I've been all up and around that whole neighborhood for years. And of course people are like, hey, it's like, dude, just go around. And this one guy gets all mouthy, wah, wah, woo, this and that, and I don't know you. It's like, dude, keep running your mouth. You're gonna find out who I am. And sure enough, then he goes around. And then he comes at me and says, what'd you say about my wife and kids? It's like, dude, I didn't say nothing about your wife and kids. Don't be putting words in my mouth. And then he's like, oh my God. It was so hard not to just bust up laughing. I'm like, dude, just go back to your wife and kids. And he gets in his truck and rides away. You know, I don't need to go to jail for somebody's stupidity, but let me clue you in, brothers and sisters. Don't ever come up like this against somebody who ain't gonna box you. You don't know who that person is. That person just fucking hurt you. Okay, there's boxing and then there's fighting. This is boxing, all right? You throw a couple punches, woo, woo, woo. No, that ain't a fight, all right? Dude comes up like this and throws a punch. You just grab him upside the neck and bam, trip him, throw him on the trailer, knock him out. He's done. He's gonna lay there for a few hours bleeding. Don't ever fucking do that. I almost busted up laughing at the poor guy. It was really hard. But anyways, so that's my little story of when I got this bike. It's a beautiful bike. It is for sale for $5,000. 96 inch. So I could be wrong about the cam. It's a little bit faster than 96, but that could just be a hot factory cam. It's not some real radical go fast, wow, wow, wow cam. No, it's not. But there's different factory profiles. And I don't know what model GX is. I have no idea. On this paint. To get a factory paint job starts at $3,000 and can easily go to $5 grand. You gotta order it. It's not cheap. Not cheap at all. But they last, man. They last a long time. It's really good big time paint. I love this paint. $5,000, you got yourself a beautiful Dyna. $47,000 on the pocket. And the S-Stage works, the oil sensor's working, the neutral light's working, everything's working. And basically brand new tires front and rear. See ya.